Hello beautiful people, Sat Shri Akal and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For the first time in my life, I'll be vlogging getting a tattoo. So let's get started. I'm here with Inked with Neet, right? Inked by Neet, sorry guys. Inked by Neet, another Instagram page. Make sure you follow her and yeah, let's see ki kinnik pain hundi hai. I am ready to get inked. Hi. I am making a vlog. Yay. Hi guys. Hi. She's our tattoo artist for the day. Excited.
I am really excited. Okay.
Me too.
Chalo, let's fill up the form. Up andar hi le chalte hain na.
Sure thing. And let me show the aesthetics of the place. This is so cute. Welcome to the jungle. Is my government name, official name, but I don't like it because I was bullied for this name in school time. It's like Nashedi, Badal. Remember? Although time in the 6th, 7th, Akali Dal, Jindabad.
Things that I don't remember about my teenage. Little enough blur. Oh, कितना है ना blur कितना है अपना teenage time में कि मैं याद ही नहीं करना. I had curly. I have always had curly hair, but India, curly hair is like this and they're like being called like vichata, and now people are like, oh my god, your hair is so good.
Honestly, I love curly hair. I wish I had curly hair so I don't have to curls.
See,
it's
struggle दो हाँ पास ही है. I have to work on them. I have to moisturize them. The fuck, बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान रखना पड़ता है in order to make them look good. नहीं तो ये poofy हो जाएगा.
I'm 18 years old. Yes,
okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank God.
So thank God. I look like a 12-year-old, but I'm not. ID verification. Do you need my ID, sir?
Yes, please.
We will give you ID.
Thank you. कोई नहीं. आप perform. Alright. Oh, cute picture.
Yeah, that's why I give it. देख लो. It's not
मेरी शक्ल में देखो, मेरी ID देख लो बस.
Hi. यार सारे टिक मार्क करने वाले दास यार मैं बस टिक मार्क ही करना है. इतना नहीं मैं पढ़ने
कोई स्किन एलर्जी इश्यूज कुछ
ना
ब्राउन
हाँ सही है ना ब्राउन पीपल. Let's see her place, guys. Ooh, that is so aesthetic. Guys, follow her. Inked by Neet. Oh my goodness, wow. What a view. Wow, this is so therapeutic and cozy at the same time. Wow. Hannah?
Yes.
Very cute. I like it. So beautiful.
I need to move before we shoot. I just need to.
Yeah, this is such an aesthetic place. Also, lighting would be too good, and then we can also see ourselves in the mirror. I love a cutesy mirror. Clumsy.
It's okay.
That's the sign of clumsy and
yes.
People are supposed to be clumsy.
Yes, exactly. We can't be perfect.
Never at all.
Okay. Yeah, so that's good that you had breakfast because some people don't have breakfast and lunch.
ਉਹ ਖਾ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਫਿਰ.
क्योंकि पेन टॉलरेंस है
मेरा तो वैसे ही टिट
कुड़ियां ਦੀ ਕਦੇ ਕੁਝ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ पेन टॉलरेंस I'm always like जब कोई कुड़ी डाली होगी ना I'm like bro
है ना I honestly think क्योंकि आज मैं पहली बार अजरे टैटू लाइक मैं ब्लॉग भी करा रही I think people will know कि एक्चुअल पेन होंदी है कि नहीं because I think मैंने पेन होंदी है कितने पॉइंट्स पे but then it's not like I'm screaming.
नहीं women have a better feet in general so and I have dark chocolates for sugar, keep snacking. पानी उठे है.
नहीं, I don't do snacking that much. पता नहीं क्यों.
Dark chocolate
is good.
Yeah.
I like the fact you mentioned dark chocolate. Yeah. Not just chocolate.
Not just chocolate. क्योंकि मैं आपको खा लूँगी.
मैं कितना got clumsy हूँ.
कोई नहीं. As long as nobody is getting hurt.
Guys, no music. थोड़े vlog के चक्कर दे विच में music बंद करना पड़ना है. It's finally time. We're gonna get the tattoo done. I'm getting inked.
किਵੇਂ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਵਾਲੀ ਸਪੇਸ ਨਾਲੋਂ ਇਹ ਰੂਮ?
I think this is much more
yeah
Aesthetic.
and
Window
the
करके
view.
view करके बहुत ज़्यादा घैंट लग रहा है.
Snow च ਤਾਂ ਹੋਰ ਵਧੀਆ ਲੱਗ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ.
Yep, very
Alright.
beautiful. रात ਨੂੰ evening च I think ਹੋਰ भी much better लगेगा, right?
Yeah.
He got it.
Yay! ਹੁਣ ਆਪਾਂ ਵੇਟ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ for the stencil to dry.
ठीक है.
And then ਆਪਾਂ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ.
Done, जी madam. Starting guys, pain of the hour. Okay. Bear with me.
Okay, I'm gonna start now, okay?
Okay, नहीं हो रही हले. I'm good. I'm strong. I'm very strong. Good हो रही है. मम्मी. नहीं हो रही. मैं ड्रामा कर रही हूँ, हले कुछ नहीं हो रहा मैंने. It's almost like a sketch pen चल रहा है बस.
बस ज़्यादा खबो गया.
हाँ. नहीं हो रहा कुछ भी हले मैंने feel. मतलब नहीं हो रहा है obviously, but it's just very smooth.
Yeah.
कितने points ते hit कर रहा है. I think it's just अपनी bone ते right.
Yeah, bone ਦੇ ਕੋਲ pain ज़्यादा ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ. Bone and joints, like ditches, knee ditch हो गया, elbow ditch, that's more painful.
What was your best tattoo till date?
Best tattoo.
Like rememberable, yeah, like a wow moment or that wow.
Wow moment.
Like you were proud of yourself.
Okay. Actually, like a recent, to be honest, like वो realism वाला rose है जेड़ा मैं वो मैं on skin कीता है हुनी recently.
On skin?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like किसे दे कीता है मैं and it took me like 2 sessions. So I was really proud of the outcome.
Nice.
And honestly, like every day I heard new stories. There was one person ਜਿਹੜਾ ਆਪਣੇ ਕੈਂਸਰ ਤੋਂ like he survived cancer and ਜਿਹੜੀ ਉਹਦੀ ਐਨੀਵਰਸਰੀ ਡੇਟ ਸੀਗੀ ਉਦੋਂ ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋਲ ਟੈਟੂ ਕਰਾਉਣ ਆਇਆ ਸੀਗਾ. And like I have a bunch of stories. I do tattoos like ਇੱਕ handwritten notes ਤੋਂ ਜਿਹੜਾ like some people want that script tattooed on them. I love them. Like ਮੈਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ precious ਲੱਗਦੀ. Love letter ਨਹੀਂ like never. Like it's mostly from grandfather, grandmother, mummy, papa, that kind of stuff. ਉਹ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ precious ਲੱਗਦੀਆਂ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ.
Yeah, for sure. Family is like family, right? Nothing can beat that.
Okay.
Guys, no pain, okay? Only gains. कोई pain नहीं हो रही ਮੈਨੂੰ ਸੀਗਾ ਮੈਂ pain record ਕਰਾਂਗੀ ਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦੱਸਾਂਗੀ ਕਿ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਦਰਦ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਪਰ ਫਿਲਹਾਲ ਕੁਛ ਦਰਦ ਮੇਰੇ ਹੋ ਨਹੀਂ ਰਿਹਾ so I guess I'm a strong woman. Or she's a good artist. Or and let's do the and part. Okay, I shouldn't be laughing, guys. Sorry.
Thank you.
So अपना A वाला tattoo बढ़िया हो गया. It's perfect, guys. And now we're thinking मेरा जोड़ा A वाला tattoo से the first tattoo that I got थोड़ा बिखरे जैसे we're gonna give it a finishing touch up. The first tattoo balance sign मेरा Libra zodiac, right? Yeah, I just wanna fix this a little bit, so she's gonna help me fix that too. So let's do that. Yep. So our tattoos are done, guys. I am super happy with this one. Looks stunning. I'll show you guys after removing the wrap up as well. And then I also got final touch-ups on this one because it wasn't done in a very clean form, and now it's all set. It's perfect, and Yay! One task of the day is done. The huge shoot out to the Inked by Neat, because she did such a great job. Like, genuinely saying, one of my best experiences, because I feel like I have never had a tattoo consultation, and I have gotten so many tattoos on my body, never gotten a tattoo consultation. Like, what the heck, I didn't even know. It's like, okay, usually what I do is I look at the picture and I imagine what I want and I just get it right away. I'm like very impulsive with my tattoos, but this is the first time where I actually sat with one person and she's helping me, like, you know, guide through the whole process, because you don't want to just get like a Pinteresty thing on your body, right? You just want it to be special. You want it to be like true to your own self, and like just you know, just makes it authentic. I'll show you what I imagined at first. What was the picture I sent to her, that this is what I want and this is what I'm actually getting. And I actually was thinking of getting it here, like over here, like if you see this side, but I ended up getting it over here because, you know, carpe diem, like seize the day. I need to see it more than, you know, others need to see it, because over here, how will I see it? It's gonna be weird, but over here I will see it every time, and the next person whosoever I'm shaking hands with or whosoever is meeting me, they'll be like carpe diem, they'll see it. So it will just give more positivity to them too. And I think, yeah, positivity has always been my goal. Being kind for no reason. And how can you be kind? You can also be kind by just being positive, just being you. So yeah, that is about it. They around 10 vajane. We're gonna take a bunch of photos of the tattoos and everything. They first of all, I was thinking of doing some work on something that I've been working on right now, and currently and I haven't mentioned it before, so I want to mention it right now, but I will show you guys later. But yes, I'm to do some work, so we will work on that after this. And over here, it's a nearby cafe, Monday Cafe. I've been to that place so many times. I just love that place. Very aesthetic, very girly, very pinky. So I'm gonna go there, have some nice coffee, and just enjoy some self time. And then after that, we can go to the muscle tribe thing that I'm working on. I'm gonna meet the guy again and discuss the plan for the next month and its launch. And then usto baad we'll go hit the gym. In thale main legging pai hai, if you see, because I was like, I'm gonna go enter the house once I'm done with everything that I've planned for the day. No excuses today. And I think you probably would have noticed as well कि like मेरे पिछले vlog जो कोई देखा होगा, I don't know, last time मैं बहुत time पहले vlog किया था. If you see that vlog and if you see me now, you will see a clear difference in my body, because I feel like my body has toned a lot. My double chin has gone a lot. मतलब इधर चढ़ी गया. I feel a lot lighter, a lot more confident. I've always been confident, but extra confident. Yes sir. लाजवाब हो तुम सुखमनी, तुम लाजवाब हो my friend. एक तो मैंने खांसी ने मार रखा है गाइस, पूरा हाल किया है. बट या हुन जिम लंच भी मजा आएगा क्योंकि एक और टैटू आ गया है. She's there. आप लेके आओ. Okay, so light is here, and we will, let's do some shoot.
Get some pictures.
Let's get some pictures.
Okay, come here first. Let me remove those.
Sure. Okay. Carpe diem, guys. Seize the day. Life is short. Live in the moment.
Live in the moment. Leave.
Zindagi.
Leave guys.
Leave the moment that doesn't fit you.
Yes, that's the right thing.
And live in the moment that suits you.
Exactly.
Yes. Happy the end. Cutesy place, guys. We love it. We did order some chai latte with vanilla syrup.
I'm just gonna
sugar
order.
free.
Cutesy. Love it.
Coffee makes me happy. Coffee is so damn good, guys. Just for that. Cheers. Yes. banana bread ले
मिठा जरूरी है मिठा जरूरी है जिंदगी जीने लिए मिठा जरूरी है
Yeah, I agree with that. But थोड़ा या तड़का and थोड़ी सी spices भी.
साढ़े बनाना ब्रेड से तड़का नहीं है थोड़ा सा प्याज थोड़ा सा टमाटर थोड़ी सी हरी मिर्च
Please and thank you.
बनाना के साथ
एकदा होईल आणि चम्मच नाही फिरून आलता की ते पण खाणं आहे.
इधरों खा लो
I think मैं थोड़ा देसी स्टाइल चलता. I would rather eat with my hands. It's all sugar free? Yeah. Okay, that's good. So I'm not here for long. I just wanted to get some coffee and I'm gonna go to Fox. It's just right around the corner. ਤੇ ਉੱਥੇ ਬੈਠ ਕੇ ਮੈਂ ਆਪਦਾ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਾਂਗੀ ਬਿਕੋਜ਼ ਆਮ ਸਕੇਅਰਡ ਜੇ ਮੈਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਦੇਰ ਬੈਠੀ ਮੇਰੀ ਪਾਰਕਿੰਗ ਦਾ ਇਸ਼ੂ ਹੋਣਾ ਸੋ ਦੈਟਸ ਨੋ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ ਆਫ ਸਟ੍ਰੈਸਿੰਗ ਅਬਾਊਟ ਪਾਰਕਿੰਗ ਟਿਕਟ ਐਂਡ ਵਾਟ ਨੋਟਸ I'll just rather go to Fox after having some nice coffee and some cute sweet sunshine here. What is going on, guys? चल क्या रहा है ये हमारी ये वाली फोटो आनी चाहिए पर आ ही नहीं आ नहीं रही एस्थेटिक्स इसके अंदर से फोटो खींचने की
अरे इसमें वही कह रही हूँ दियो जरा अच्छा चल पहले लगे
एक ही शेड से सभी फोटोज खींच रहे हैं इधर इधर मानना इधर मेरा बच्चा